Hello everyone. So यहाँ पे x के now this is question which I have taken over here. This is as you see this along with the differentiation, this ax plus b terms has been coming over here. So जैसे कि यहाँ पे सेकेंड ऑर्डर टर्म है तो यहाँ पे एक्स प्लस बी का स्क्वायर आ चुका है, देन इट इज़ 1. Here single order derivative, then it's this bracket has the power 1. So you clearly understand that this is given equation is in the form of Legendre's equation. So जैसे भी हमें पता चलता है कि Legendre's linear equation है तो हमें we have to think about how to solve, means what substitution we have to do it, क्योंकि इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है, x जो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है हमें चेंज करना है किसी और वेरिएबल के फॉर्मेट में. तो उसके लिए हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या करनी है, यहाँ पे 2x प्लस 3 की जगह हमें लिखना है e to the power t. So that's became t will be obviously t will become log 2x plus 3. So that substitution, if you rearrange this equation you will get the value of x also. So x is equal to, after shifting this term you will get e to the power t minus 3 by 2. So now this is for x, we are going to do substitution. After that for this whole thing, for each of these things we have to do substitution. So जैसे कि सिंगल ऑर्डर जब भी ये टर्म आएगी उसके लिए हम करेंगे 2 into dy. जैसे सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव की जो टर्म है उसके फॉर दैट वी विल बी राइटिंग a square which is nothing but 2 square into d minus 1 into y. So after simplification this is what we will get it. So if you keep this substitution everywhere in the equation 1 जो भी given equation था तो हमें ये equation मिल जाता है यहाँ पे. I have done the substitution for each term, even for second order, for first order, and यहाँ पे जो minus 12y था वो जैसे वैसे ही रख दिया. And on RHS side 6x was there, so instead of x I have received this by shifting the terms. So now further is we have to get the equation in the form of f of d, that is nothing but the equation which we can convert into auxiliary equation format so that we can get the m's value. So after taking out y common from here I will get linear differential equation with constant coefficient. अभी तक constant coefficient के साथ जो दूसरी terms भी आती थी x plus b and all that. So that we have tried to remove it from the given equation so that we should get that Legendre equation gets converted into linear differential equation with constant coefficient. तो हमने जो भी substitution की अभी तक उसके simplify करने के बाद हमें जो ये equation मिला है वो हमारा linear differential equation with constant coefficient है और we know that how to simplify it. So first thing is we will find CF, complementary function निकालेंगे, उसके बाद हम उसका PI निकालेंगे and then we will put it in the equation y is equal to CF plus PI. So that will give us a complete solution or the general solution. So let's start with finding auxiliary equation. तो इस equation डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस इक्वेशन हम सबसे पहले ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन लिखते हैं m के फॉर्मेट में, उसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. नाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट द गिवन इक्वेशन द एफ डी, द इक्वेशन विच वी गॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ f of d in the form of auxiliary equation. So here I have converted it 4m square minus 8m minus 12. It's a quadratic equation, so I can simplify it by splitting the term and I will get 2 roots of m's. So m value I got one as minus 1 and the other one is as 3. So for each of this term I will be writing CF, like CF I can write it for this one. For this minus 1 I wrote it C1 into e to the power minus 2. ये minus 1 इसलिए we got minus 1 value, so that's why it became minus t. Here it is 3, so you got it C2 into e to the power 3t. So depending on the m's value we will be writing complementary function. So इसके बाद की जो step है वो हमें लिखना है particular integral. हम ये differential method से हम करेंगे यहाँ पे, जो कि formula है 1/fd into RHS. f of d, that equation we already got in the previous step, we will be using that as it is, and RHS is nothing but the RHS of given equation, Legendre's equation, that we will be taking it. So ये equation हमें पहले step में मिल चुका है by after doing the substitution and finding simplifying. So this is I have taken it from there. RHS जो कि हमें दी जा चुकी है given equation में. So now I have substituted this one here. Now since we know that here it e to the power t is there, we have done the substitution d is equal to 1 and यहाँ पे कोई भी term नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो इसलिए मैंने किया d को substitute किया हुआ है 0 के साथ. Now if you keep that if you put that d is equal to 1 and d is equal to 0, we will get this one. So ये 0 हो जाएगा and this we will get as if after simplification we will get minus 3 by 16, ये पूरा simplify करने के बाद, and this right hand side I will get it as plus 9 by 12. So after reducing this we will get pi's value, which is nothing but minus 3 by 16 e to the power t plus 3 by 4. So this is the particular integral we got it. In the earlier step हमें मिल चुका है CF, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन भी हमें मिल चुका है जो कि हमने लिखा था m की वैल्यू के डिपेंडेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे, हम y को हम एक साथ लिख लेंगे CF प्लस PI के फॉर्म में. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी कैन डू दैट वन. सो हियर CF की जो वैल्यू मैंने निकाली थी, क्योंकि m की एक वैल्यू -1 आई थी और m की एक वैल्यू 3 आई थी, so that's why my CF was this one and PI the one which I just found it. So now if you see, this complete solution is there with us, but that's in the format of t. T was not given in the given equation. If you remember, the given equation is in the form of x. In the given equation independent variable was x. So हमें जो t के फॉर्म में जो आ चुका है, हमें वो we have to put it back in the form of x. So that's why we have to replace that t. t को replace करना है, t की वैल्यू हमें already पता है, उस what we have to substitute. So t is equal to log 2x plus 3. So ये हमें substitute करना होगा equation 3 में, और this one, for in this one we will be keeping that. So जहाँ पे भी हमें t दिखाई देता है तो वहाँ पे हम log 2x plus 3 रख देंगे यहाँ पे. So here wherever you see this, you will be keeping that log 2x plus 3. So यहाँ पे मैंने रख दिया इसकी वैल्यू. Now हमें पता है कि ये e and log दोनों अपोजिट होते हैं, तो वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Then it will become c1 upon 2x plus 3. Similarly यहाँ पे भी वही हो जाएगा. This e and log will get cancelled and this 3 is there, that will become its power. Same thing will happen over here also, this will get cancelled. So we will just get 2x plus 3 over here, और ये कांस्टेंट है वैसे जैसे ही आ जाएगा. So ये याद रखना है आपको, अगर ये दोनों एक साथ आ जाते हैं तो वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So that's the reason we are getting these values over here. Now after simplification, whatever we will get it, that is nothing but the value of your y, and that will be completely in the form of x, which is nothing but the independent variable. So now this is the final value after doing the simplification, we are getting it. So here I just kept general solution or the complete solution, which is in the form of y. So this is in the y, whatever value I have getting, this is nothing but pi value. So that I will be keeping over here. So this is how I will get the y, which is nothing but CF plus pi. So this is how I have received the general solution by simplifying the Legendre's equation. So I will just brief it. First of all, important thing is identify given equation is it Cauchy's equation or it's in which format. how to identify Legendre's equation, that here ax plus b terms will be coming along with the differential and the constant that will be in the equation. Then once you identify it, how to convert that given independent variable into other variable. For that we will be doing the substitution. After doing the substitution, we will be getting the equation in the form of d, that we call it as f of d, and that equation will be linear differential equation with constant coefficient. और once you get that equation, तो उसके बाद की steps जो है हम जैसे normally complementary function find out करते हैं by finding auxiliary equation and in its roots. Once you get complementary function, you will find the particular integral by using which method it's you can use whichever you prefer. Differential यहाँ पे मैंने differential method use की हुई है. Then once you get the pi, then you will write the general solution. जैसे कि हम लिखते हैं y is equal to cf plus pi, तो जो भी values हमें मिल चुकी है हमने उसके अंदर y के इसमें we will substitute it, so that we will get the final result. So once if you do the comparative study like Cauchy's linear differential equation and the Legendre's equation, it will be quite easy for you to understand their differences also. And steps तो काफ़ी हद तक वो similar ही है, सिर्फ मतलब थोड़ा look में उसमें different नज़र आती है, लेकिन steps जो भी हम follow करते हैं वैसे दोनों में भी काफ़ी similarity है. So दोनों आप comparative study करेंगे, that will be easy for you to understand also and to remember also. So that will help you a lot. Thank you.